Hi, do you have problems like trying to get away of toxins from your body? You know, I think you probably agree that we have been experienced or exposed to too much toxins in our life, right? Be it our food, processed food, or the air we breathe in. Everything around us is full of toxins, right? Now, so today's drink, right, is a drink, and it can be a soup as well, is to really help you to detox and to clear away all this heat, right? And to help your body to remove all these toxins easily and to clear heat as well. And the byproduct benefits is also that it has the effect of helping to alleviate symptoms of eczema and arthritis. Now, so what are the ingredients in it, right? There are actually just 4. But I'm just going to show you 3 just to keep it a little mystery, right? So comment below, right, if you would like to have the full recipe. It is a very easy to make drink, but if you want to make it savory as well, I can also, the recipe will have the options as well for you. So first up, we have, right, corn silk. This is not something that you commonly see, but it's actually very easily to be purchased, and it's actually very cheap. It's very good in clearing the heat and also reducing edema, which is water swelling, right? Which basically it means that your water swelling is basically because your body you don't have the natural ability to reduce this excess fluids from your body, and then if it accumulates, basically it makes you very tired and very heavy, especially at the bottom. Then we have Chinese pearl barley. What is very good is that it actually helps clearing the heat away, and also it can help with reducing the effect of eczema and also alleviate the symptoms of arthritis. And of course, it's just, so again, it also helps with edema as well. The third thing that I'm going to show you is something called ice bean or small red bean, or in Mandarin is 赤小豆. It's basically quite similar to red beans, but it's a smaller, leaner, fitter version of it. Yeah, there is one more ingredient, which again that one is very good in detox, right? It's something that people commonly use. Yeah, this recipe actually has been featured in my first webinar online done last Sunday, but I don't think many people have actually watched the full thing. At that time, the soup or the drink was curated mainly to help edema issues, especially common prevalence in pregnant women. But upon further research, I found that also it can actually help improve people with eczema or people with arthritis, right? And it's also very good in detox. So I thought it is very important to share then, not only with pregnant women, but to everyone who lives in the modern world, eats the modern food, right? And breathe the air currently, which is, as you know, right, it's not great. Share this as well with as many people as possible so that more people will benefit. And comment again if you want to have the full recipe. Thank you.